Hi, my name is Sarah Lovell, and I'm the Director of the Center for Agroforestry.
And I'm Barry Eschenbrenner. I am the farm manager here at the Horticulture and Agroforestry Research Center.
We'd like to welcome you to the annual Chestnut Roast. Things are going to be a little bit different this year because of COVID, but at least we still get to meet in person. And we really encourage you to get out there and taste some of the chestnuts, visit the vendors, visit the historic Hickman House, maybe take a ride on the hay wagon, and just really have a good time.
That's right, Sarah. And if you guys need anything, please just let one of us know. We'll be glad to show you around a little bit or help you in any which way. Thanks again for coming.